Hi, this is Scarlet Gallery from Vincent Music, and today we're going to go through the chords for Old McDonald Had a Farm. So we've already done a little bit. We've already done the very start of it. Can you have a look on your music and tell me what the first couple of chords are? So our first one, I've got the cards here. Our first one should be our C chord. So this one's going to go first. And remember, it's a little pattern. What comes after our C chord? It should be our yellow chord, F chord. And then after that, we have our C chord again. So there's our first little pattern. Let's move them up because we'll put the other cards underneath. So on the ukulele, C, then F, then C. Can you play that with me? Starting with our red chord, ready? C, F, then C. Okay, can you do it one time without me? Starting with our red chord. Red, then yellow, then red. Good, okay, let's go and learn the next part of our pattern. We already did this last week, but let's remember. After our red chord, we have red chord again. Red, then green, our G chord, then our red chord again. C, then G, then C. So let's play those ones. Starting with our red chord here. C, then G, then red chord. C. That's it. You can't really see me. Let's do that again. So red chord first. C. Then green chord. Get your fingers ready. Green, then back to red. Red. So if we put that all together from the very start, we've got Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There we go. Okay, I want you to do it. Pause the video and I want you to try playing all those chords in a row. And then after that, do you know what happens? We do the same pattern again. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And again. And on that farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. So you get to do that 2 times in a row. And then this is going to be your new favourite bit. Because after we've sung that, have a look on your music. We get to hold one chord for the rest of the time. Can you see which colour that one is? Should be our red chord. We get to hold the red chord through all the next bit. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. There a cluck, there a cluck, anywhere a cluck cluck. All with the red chord. Can you play it with me? With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. And then, do you know how we finish? We've only got a tiny bit to go before we finish Old MacDonald. I accidentally stole this card, that was a bit silly. We'll put it back here. Because we get to the pattern one more time at the very end. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And that's the end. So let's do the cluck cluck bit. Ready? With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Pattern. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And that's all of Old MacDonald. So I want you to try and do that all by yourself this week. We get to do the pattern 2 times, then we do lots of C chord, and then we do the pattern one more time, and that's all of Old MacDonald. Best of luck!